Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to view login history on your Santander app. Now, based on your available information, the Santander mobile app provides robust security features, but it does not have a single direct menu option to display a historical log of every login session. However, you can monitor your account activity and security, which often highlights when and where the account was accessed. So, if you want to view the recent transaction, you could check for any suspicious activity indicating an unauthorized login. You could go ahead and tap onto the specific account from the home page as well. Next, you could also check secure messages. Now, important notifications include potential security alert are found in message tab as well. And through my details and settings, you could go to security and you can manage which device have access to your account as well. Next, you could also manage your documents in the app to view the official bank records of activity as well. And this way, you'll be able to find an alternative way to view your login history on Santander app. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.